Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a paypal.me username on mobile. So if we enter the application, you will probably come very quickly to see that there is no option to create a paypal.me. However, there is a way for us to bypass that. So basically all we have to do is load up your browser or the browser that you use and simply type in paypal.com and log in as per usual. So from here, after you have logged in, we want to click on the three lines at the top left corner and then click on send and request. It might look a little bit different for you, but the process itself is the same. So from here, what we need to click on is the line, so we see the other options, and then we need to select more. As you can see, we get the option manage your paypal.me profile. So I'm just going to click on it and I am going to use Google Chrome here. If it doesn't work, I'm going to try another browser. Alright, so I'm going to log in this browser as well, so give me just a second. So after you have logged in into PayPal again, right here you will be able to set up your username. Now I already have created a username, so you can't unfortunately change it and I can't show you. But this is the place where you actually set up your paypal.me username. So just simply follow the requirements. It's very simple, and yeah, I hope this was useful. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.